Campaign is claiming attorney-client privilege with respect to some information requested by the Durham probe. Now, I'm old enough to remember when the information they now claim is privileged was leaked to the FBI, the press, anybody they think would propagate the message that would be damaging to Donald Trump. Does this hold any water now in light of that?
Absolutely not. They have waived it to a fairly well. First of all, the information was designed to be made public. It was not intended to be kept private. And so the privilege doesn't apply at all. But if it had applied, it would have been waived repeatedly by the testimony, by the statements, by the press leaks. So there's not even a plausible argument about lawyer-client privilege here.
Yeah, and when you say that it never was intended to be private, it's because it was Oppo research that was going to be released on, I guess, then candidate Donald Trump, right?
Right. I guess if there were some lawyer-client privilege that was not illegal or fraudulent, and that said, don't release this should be kept confidential, secret, maybe that could be covered. But anything that was intended to be released to the press or leaked to the press would not be covered by lawyer-client privilege.
Okay, Alan, you have been considered to be an expert in all things law for a very long time, and I don't want to put you on the spot and request you to read tea leaves or anything like that, but as far as the Durham probe, where we are now, where we expect to go, what do you think is going to happen?
Well, I think the most important thing is that Durham has enormous credibility. He creates a barrier to the need for an independent counsel. For those who say we need to appoint an independent counsel, the answer is we already have one. His name is Durham. He's very independent. He doesn't seem partisan. So let's let him conduct the investigation. He seems to be allowing all the evidence in and letting the chips fall where they may.